Okay, I have to restore this Gemmy soaking feet Santa. So yeah, let's get on with it. Okay, so we gotta take it apart. I don't know what I'm doing here. Okay. He falls out a lot. There's something wrong. Okay. He had a lot of missing screws when I got him. I know this is boring. I'm just trying to focus. I might try and see if I can add some music to the video. If not, then oh well. Where did I put that screw? I'll put on this carpet. It's hard to. The screws blend in with it, so let me put it up here. There you go. All right. Okay. Oh wow. So this is what the setup is. All right. I gotta unglue this apparently. Apparently, like they probably tried to like take it apart or something. I'm not sure though. Alright, I'm gonna have to like take this whole clothes off for this. This is hard work. You have to be a good. I'm not saying I have good fixing skills, but you have to have good fixing skills to do this, because it takes a lot of practice and work. There we go. Oh geez. Alright, let's take these pants off. I hope I don't yank any wires out or anything. That'll be bad if I do. I mean, I'm not saying I can't fix it, but, you know, whatever. So be it. Okay. Okay, so I just have to put the chair right here. I really don't want to yank any wires. I feel like I'm yanking a wire right now. And that wire goes to the battery compartment. It looks like somebody tried to fix this, but somehow they couldn't get to it. Let me unscrew this back. I'll put it over here so you guys can see me do it. Oh, and by the way, I'm going to do a review of this after this repair video. Oh, by the way, when I was there, it came like this. It had a scarf to go with it right here. So none of them supposed to come with that. Somebody was being an idiot and just glued the scarf on. I don't know. I guess it's a good custom though if you think about it. Oh, and where I got this yesterday, but I didn't have time to restore it because I tested it out and I got home right when I was about to go to bed. So. Stack unscrewed out. So anyway, the place I got this, it was like a booth in the antique store. I swear, there's this booth. The booth is like full of animated. It's full of motionettes, Christmas, you name it. You name a motionette, it was there. It was awesome. It was like heaven, going to heaven. Like. That's every Gemmy. It was like every Gemmy collector's dream when you went in there. Like they had that mini Homer, Santa Homer. It wasn't the It wasn't like the red base version. It was like the Merry Christmas base version. You've seen it before. It was a 2004, not the 2002. I think it was sold at Kmart. And then I saw the Santa's Best motionette. Santa feeding his reindeer one there. I saw like two Here Comes Santa Claus hip swing, Gemmy hip swinging Santas. And then I saw the what else did I see? Oh yeah, and I saw the Coca-Cola Violin Bear. I'm gonna name it while I fix this. I think I can't talk without doing this, but I'll try my best to. But anyway, I saw I think I saw like a lot of the Avon motionette bears. Then I saw a lot of stuff. I saw the Telco Sleeping Santa. I saw the 1990 Gemmy Rocking Santa. I saw this bear band. I saw a lot of stuff. Definitely go check it out. It's in I think Cloud Springs, Georgia. I don't know. It's close to I think it's on Cloud Springs Road, but it's called Gateway Antique Mall. It's an awesome shout out to them if you're watching. Alright, I can't hold this chair, so y'all are gonna have to not see me. I'll go ahead and pause the video and, okay, after like an hour, I got this thing unscrewed. Now, I'm gonna pull up closer to you guys so you guys can actually see what I'm doing. Because a lot of you guys don't. My screw's over here. So, oh, that speaker's like popped out. Oh, wow. Okay. Let me get it out of there. Look at this, guys. Oh my god. So I thought the speaker was just fried. It just popped out of there. This is a speaker. I thought it was something else for a minute, but I could tell that part was missing right there, so that's going to be an easy repair. Okay. So I just gotta pop this screw back in. Oh, and I have to glue the wires. This wire is cut off. So yeah, let me get my glue gun. Okay. I'm gonna have to wait for it to warm up real quick, so let me pause the video. Okay, I know I'm very sorry you guys can't see. It's hard. I can't. There's a crack and you won't see it that much, and it'll be hard for me to solder and do it at the same time. But let me get that speaker. Where's it at? Is it in there? No. Where did I put that daggum speaker? I mean, at least this restoration video started out some goodness. But there's a speaker, and it says F, so I don't know what that means. I've never replaced it, or I did replace a speaker, but that was on the Holiday Creation Santa motionette. Let me put that in. Oh boy, this is gonna be hard. Oh shoot, I knew that was gonna be an epic fail. I don't have much space to do this part. Alright, now I gotta solder that wire. And the glue gun's already warm. That's why I paused the video, so I can, it only took like 5 minutes. This is an old glue gun I have. It's hard to do. I didn't have a solder. Okay, that's soldered on, or glued on, as you can see. Hang on a minute. So there it is. That's the inside of the body, and that's soldered on right there, or glued on. I keep saying soldered, but yeah. Let's see if I can't get inside the body. Because I don't know how that's going to work. Unless I think I can do that. I just Alright, let's see if the speaker works. I have it on batteries. You can hear it. It's getting louder. So there, the speaker works. It's talking. I'm gonna try and see if I can fix that to where it can't sound loud like it does. Maybe if I have it on good enough. There you go. And that belt's running pretty good too. So it's definitely the gears. If not the motor, and if the motor doesn't work, then I don't know what to do. I can't really replace motors because I don't know where to get them. I mean, I know eBay works, but still. I may sound like a complete idiot. Alright, let me just pull this. I gotta unscrew all of this right here. Alright, let me unpause the video. Okay, I got the screws out for the gear. I think this is the gearbox, it looks as though. Let me take this out. Jesus Christ. Okay, yeah. Oh wow, the belt just snapped. Oh my gosh. The belt literally broke while I was getting the gears on. The gears, oh my gosh. That's funny. I'll repair it later. Doesn't look like the gearbox. Well, actually it is. I just don't know. I don't know if I can do this. That's scary. I don't know. But I got the voice working. But yeah, let's get them back together. Alright, let me my screws at. Oh wow, now I have to put it back together. Screws on. Okay, I was looking to see if it was still running. The camera was. Oh shoot. I have to replace the belt. Or I just have to reattach the belt. And the belt didn't snap. It just came off. Lord. Take the screw out. Stick it. There you go, just got that belt on. Well, I tried to get the moving to work. I have no access to that. I mean, I have access to that gearbox. It's just, it won't come out for some reason because of that. I don't want to yank it or, it's a wire that's keeping it from. But I got the sound to work. Let me pause the video. Okay, I got the gear box screwed on. I have to reattach the body. Ah, shoot. That's... Whew. Make sure that same works. Okay. I can't push the button to stop. That's how Gemmy IDs were back in the day. Okay. Okay, we're still rolling. Is that getting in? Okay, it is. I'll move my legs so I can... If I had a tripod, you guys can see better. I don't, though. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I got his body back together, and I just have to reattach these on, and then yeah, I have to glue that on too. So let me just... Oh Jesus. I hope I didn't get that stuck. Oh, I did. Well, shoot. To restart. Unless Okay, I have to unscrew this, re-unscrew this again. This is bullcrap. I didn't know it would take that long to just restore a speaker. Let me go closer. Okay. Okay, finally got that out. It got caught when I was screwing the thing in when I didn't know that. Okay, got that shirt on. Alright, I'm going to glue this thing, or whatever it is, back on the overall. Back on, but let me reattach these. So. Oh, shoot. A wire just came off. I gotta glue that wire back on. Oh, no. This is not good. I gotta rewire this. Get this glue gun. I'm gonna pause the video, okay? Okay, this takes a few minutes to glue that wire carefully. Oh shoot. There we go. I'll glue that side too. Okay, I'm sorry for not getting the full footage, but the wire actually snapped off during when I was putting the suit back on. So I had to fix the wire, and that was the wire for the battery compartment. But now he works. I mean, I can't see he works fully since I can't get him to move. But yeah, made his voice work. Thanks for watching and bye. And sorry it's such a long video. Bye.